Many of you guys asked me about 2D and 3D wallpapers of my desktop, which I have used in some of my previous videos. I use a tool name called Wallpaper Engine and it is available on Steam. Cost of it is around $3 and believe me, you won't regret after using. This software allows users to create their own animated and interactive wallpapers. Also, thousands of wallpapers are available on Steam Workshop Market and you can easily download them and use them in your desktop or laptops. To download Wallpaper Engine, you have to first download and install Steam on your computer. Okay, and after that you have to create an account, and after that go to Add Games and click on Browse the Steam Store for Games. And after that, on your right side corner you will get a search button, so you have to type over there Wallpaper and after that Engine, and you have to download this Wallpaper Engine on your Steam, and after that you have to go to your library and click on Launch. And click on Launch once again, and you will get a interface like this. So I have already installed few wallpaper, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to download a new wallpaper, then you have to go to Discover or Workshop, and here you can search anything, like I will search over this Cyberpunk, and after that you can choose any wallpaper from here. Like I have to download this one or this one or this one. If you want to download, you have to click on subscribe, and after that click on OK, and as you can see it's showing pending, so you have to wait for a few seconds to download. So as you can see it's downloading. So after download you have to go to installed, and your all the wallpaper will be show over there. Okay, so now if I want to change my wallpaper, so as you can see here's my wallpaper here. So if you want to change, then I have to click over there, and as you can see my wallpaper is showing over there. Also you can customize from here, like volume ups and down, playback rate, position also you can change, and after that you have to click on this OK button. Okay, also if you want to know how to transparent your taskbar like this, so you can watch my previous video, or else I will give you the download link to my video description. You can just click over there and you can easily transparent your taskbar. So don't forget to share your experience with me after using it, and don't forget to hit the like button, share button and subscribe button for more update like this. So I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.